Hello ukulele fans! Today's video, happy birthday! I want to dedicate this video to one particular pupil whose birthday is today. I also want to dedicate it to all the boys and girls who aren't getting their birthday parties. They have to celebrate their birthday at home. I hope it's just as special as it would have been anyway. I hope you have a lovely time with your families. Happy birthday to you. Part 1. The tune. Now this is pretty tough, so give yourself a break on this. Start really slowly, build yourself up, especially on the really big jump to the 10th fret on the A string. So it goes a little something like this, nice and slow. Start on fret 3 on the first finger on your E string. Ready? 3, 3, 5, 3, 3, 2 on the A string. 3, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 3, 3, 10, 7, 8, 7, 5, 8, 8, 7, 3, 5, 3. Part 2. The chords. Part 2 is the chords. It uses 3 chords. The first chord is a C chord. Second chord, G7. Third chord, the F. Okay, let's start. Ready? 1, 2. Happy C, C, G7, 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 and C, C, and C, 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 F, F, and C, C, G7, C. Part 3. Begin a bit. Part 3 is the most simplest part, so if you're still fairly new to the ukulele, this is the part for you. Okay, it's all on the bottom string, the A string. If you take your third finger, 1, 2, 3, and you place that on the 3rd fret, just here, and I want you to strum that, and that you do that on birthday, so it's happy birthday, and that's how we start. The next one you're going to do is another 3, and then a 2. Okay, so 2 3s and a 2, and that's happy birthday to you. It goes like this. Ready? Happy birthday to you. So happy 3, 3, 2. Then the next line. Happy 2, 2, 3. Then the next line. Happy 3, 3, note. Happy 3, 2, 3. Check your emails now for a link to Dropbox files for parts 1, 2, 3 and all their backing tracks. Happy birthday to you.